Welcome to CAD Camp 2. Today we are going to learn how to use configuration in SolidWorks. Configuration will save lots of time. Now you can create configuration in parts, assembly and drawings as well as in sketches also. Now I am going to create a part. File, new part. I am creating a sketch in the front plane. The dimension of 50. I am extruding this sketch. Now this is a tree, from here by clicking this icon. This is the configuration manager. Now we came to configuration manager. This is your part name. Actually this is a configuration which is created by SolidWorks by default. If you want to create another configuration, just select and right click this part name and add configurations. This is the place you have to give your configuration name. Now I created a new configuration with the name hole position 1. Now again I am going to tree. Here now I am going to create a hole with the dimension of 20 mm diameter. (25 y coordinate and 25 x coordinate). I am going to create a cut through all. This is the configuration hole position 1. This is default. This is hole position 1. When selecting default configuration, SolidWorks will automatically hide the feature which is created on hole position 1. This is how you manipulate a feature in the configurations. If you want this whole feature in the default configuration, just right click this feature, then go to the configuration feature, configure feature. Here you can see that this particular cut extruder feature suppressed in default. If you check this box, it will be suppressed on that particular configuration. If you want this configuration in the whole position in the default configuration, just take out this check mark. Now you can find that the hole is present on both configuration, right? If you don't need this hole in the default configuration, just go to the configure feature. Just check this box to suppress that cut extrude 1 in default configurations. Now you can see that that particular feature is suppressed in default configuration. This is how you manipulate features in configuration. Now I am going to create another configuration, hole position 2. Now double click this feature, select this both dimension, right click, configure dimension. In the hole position 2, I am going to give a new position for this hole. Now this time it will be 35 and 35. Now you can see that the hole was moved to the new position. This is hole position 1. This is hole position 2. Okay. Now again I am going to create a configuration. This time it will be slot. I am going to create a slot profile in the middle. This will be 5 and this will be 35. Now I am going to create a cut with the slot profile, extrude cut through all. Now you can see that now we can configure this particular feature. Just right click, configure feature. This feature cut extrude is suppressed in all the configuration except default. But I want this slot feature in slot cut in the slot configuration only. Now I suppressed this slot cut in the default hold position 1 and hold position 2 configurations. Now you can see that slot profile is disappeared from default in hold position 1 also, hold position 2 also. Actually I don't need this hole in this slot. Now you can see that this is the hold position 2, this is the hold position 1 and this is slot. If you want to have the hole in the configurations, just right click, configure feature and hold position 1. Configure feature, close.